Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, Healthy and Easy Recipes. So today I have another new recipe for you, and it is cauliflower soup. My ingredients are cauliflower, 1 parsnip, 1 onion, 2 potatoes, oregano, ground white pepper, garlic, olive oil, and I'm going to use a vegetable stock cube also. So let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to peel and chop the onion. And so there we have the onions all chopped. So next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to peel and chop the potatoes and the parsnip. So I'm going to chop these up really small so that they can cook nice and quickly. And there's the potato cut up nice and small pieces, and also the parsnip. So my next step now is to cut the cauliflower up into small cutlets. And so there we have our cauliflower all ready. So now all the vegetables are ready. So all we have to do now is start cooking. So I've just put my cooker on medium heat. And what I'm going to do now is add in some olive oil to the bottom of the pan. And then we're going to add in the onions. So we're just going to leave the onion simmer in the bottom of the pot just for approximately 3 minutes so that can soften. So now it's been 3 minutes of the onions simmering at the bottom. So what we're going to do next is I'm going to add in the potatoes and also the parsnip. And then just give them a mix around with the onion. So now I'm just going to cover over the pot and leave that for 5 minutes so that the vegetables can start softening. So while the vegetables are cooking in the pot, now we're going to make the vegetable stock cube. So just put the stock cube in and then add boiling water. And then we're going to give it a mix around to make sure it's all dissolved. So once the stock cube is all dissolved, that means it's ready. So I'm just going to go back over and check on how the vegetables are doing cooking. And I'm going to now start adding in some garlic. White pepper. And oregano. And then give that a mix around. And next I'm going to add in the cauliflower. And then add in the vegetable stock cube. And then just give it a mix. And then we're going to cover it over, and I'm going to leave it for 20 minutes for it to boil. So I'm just giving a check up on the soup after cooking for 20 minutes. So we can see that the cauliflower has started to soften, it's breaking up. So I'm just going to leave it for about another 5 minutes just so it can become a little bit softer. And then when we come back, it should be ready. So just checking back on the soup now. So it's been boiling in the pot for 25 minutes. So you can see by looking at it that everything has become really soft. The cauliflower is all broken up into little pieces. So it's ready now for it to be blended. And for it to blend, I'm just going to use the hand blender. So now the soup is all blended. It's nice and smooth and also nice and thick. So for extra flavour, I'm just going to add in a little bit of milk. So you don't have to add in milk, it's just for extra flavour if you want to make it a creamy. And then just give it And so there you have your cauliflower soup all made. So now all I have to do is serve. And so there we have delicious cauliflower soup. I just tasted and it's absolutely delicious. Lovely and healthy. Only took approximately 30 minutes for it to make. Very easy recipe. So if you like this video, please do like and subscribe below everyone. And thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.